Hey there, it's Elizabeth and welcome back. Today we're going to do another journal with me page, and this is in my May book. Okay, so behind this stencil here, which is one of my favorites, the honeycomb stencil, is the regular page in my journal. And as always, if you're interested in how I make my journals, my creative daily journals, there is a permanent link in the description box below that you can go to, and it will take you right to the playlist on my channel so that you can learn how to make one for yourself. So over here I have a packet of stuffs that I want to include on this page, hopefully helping me to not take so long in doing this. Okay, so what I'm using here first is a baby wipe, a stencil, right? And these Inktense, okay? I hope that's not too glary. Inktense, right, pencils. And they're fabulous because they are ink, and when they dry, they are permanent, okay? So I have here a lot of colors on this right here. So those are kind of the colors that I'm gonna put into the background, I do believe. Or maybe I should go complementary. Who knows? Okay, we'll see. Well, first I know I want to use some green. So I take a wet baby wipe, right? Oh, that needs to be sharpened. Anyway, and I just go like this, okay? I rub the pencil on the wet or damp, really, baby wipe, okay? So we just rub it on there, get that on there. Did I mention the Inktense? The Inktense pencils are ink, okay? Which means, and then we just simply rub it right onto the page, okay? The Inktense pencils are fabulous because they dry permanent. I think I already said that. Okay, now I'm taking this one, which is a different color green. It's like a bluish green. Let's see, it's called teal green. I love these pencils. They are super, super duper fun to play with. Okay, wet. All right, we're gonna put this one. Ooh, look at that color. Boy, that's pretty, huh? So pretty, so pretty. Okay, there's that. That looks good enough for me. All right, what other color should we do? I'm gonna do some orange because I love orange. Let's see, here we go. This is tangerine. So we're gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna just rub it on the damp baby wipe, right? Now, I suppose, oh, that's coming out like pinky. I don't know. Anyway, I suppose you could probably just, you know, use the colored pencils as you do, you know, and then add water to them, and that would be fine. Let's put some yellow in, shall we? And then just add water to it, you know? So doing the same thing here. And because you're using a damp baby wipe, it dries super quick, so you don't have to really worry about it, okay? So I'm getting that pigment on there. And then, oh, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. You find that you need more color, you just move your hand around on the baby wipe, and it will give you more color. Okay, that is pretty pretty. Okay, I like that so far. Add a little bit of yellow up in here, which will turn it to an orange color. Let's see what else. Let's add some blue, shall we? Let's add some blue. Let's see. This is sea blue. Ooh, that'll be, oh, look at that color. That's pretty. And then, like, usually I would never save these baby wipes, but I have to tell you, yep, I've been saving them because I think they would make really cute little, you know, just little attachments onto tags or something, you know, that'll be fun. Oh, that's pretty color, huh? That's pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. I'm all about the pretty. Which is really kind of funny because I'm not like a, I don't know, not like a, I don't know how to explain it. I like pretty things. Okay, let's see. Should we add... This is one of my favorite colors. I mean, what is a page from me if we do not have pink? All right, I think this might be... Oh, this is fuchsia. Yeah, so, I mean, like, seriously, it's not a page of mine if it doesn't have pink on it. Which is really funny because I do not wear pink clothing. I just don't. Oh, that's pretty satisfying there. All right. Yeah, and so at any rate, with the baby wipe, when you use the baby wipe, it's just so, ever so, you know, slightly damp that, you know, the page dries fairly quickly. Okay, I will save this because I can use it some other way. Don't quite know yet for sure what way, but, and then we're just gonna peel all this off. I love the stencil so much. And then your page just needs a couple, you know, seconds really to dry. Okay, so we'll put that away. I don't know where I got this from. Probably Michael's, I would assume. There's so many pretty stencils out there. Yeah, but I like that one a lot. And the reason I'm using it on this page is because on this day, I sent out some thank you cards, and what I did was I did this honeycomb stenciling. Isn't that so pretty? Yeah, it's still a little bit damp, no big deal. Anyway, yeah, yesterday I sent out some a thank you card. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, so here we have this. I'm not sure where I want to put it yet. This came from Mantra Wellness. I hope it's not too awfully glary. No, it's not. Surprise, surprise. Okay, so I want to add that on there. And then I think I'm going to, this is also from Mantra Wellness. It says Pretty Zen. And I want to add this because yesterday I spent nearly all day in my craft room working on my March journal, believe it or not, right? By the time you see this, I would have already put up my, what are they called? A flip through, you know? And it was, you know, fairly incomplete. Pretty Zen. It was fairly incomplete because, yeah, I just hadn't finished my journal and I wasn't going to wait until I had finished it to share it. So there you have it. But I was doing that most of the day, you know, sitting in my room, chilling out to some cello music and finding my Zen, which is working in my journal. So that was a lot of fun. Sorry again with the, at least I saved you the having to endure me cutting out those coffee cups. Okay, so Pretty Zen, I think I'll put that around there somewhere. Okay, if you start it, finish it. And now this is from a calendar thing that my daughter gives me, and I love them. And so, excuse me, I thought this was quite appropriate for this particular day because I worked all day on my March, you know, 2020 booklet. So if you start it, finish it, right? So yeah, I mean, a lot of times I tell you guys, I don't mind if I don't finish a page, and that is true for the most part, but there are times where, you know, it does bother me that I don't finish it. And I, you know, especially like when I go to put it, if you start it, finish it, especially if I go to put it on my shelf, which if you didn't see my shelf of some, just operative word there, some of my journals, check out my Instagram. The link is below. And yeah, I just posted a picture, excuse me, whoops, of my, just some of my bookshelves that I have in my closet with some of my journals, right? So on these pages here, in this particular book that I'm doing right now, Let's see, we have the Southern Toad. That story I'll get into in a minute. We have Dog Mom having to do with said toad. We have our date stamp. Now, where are we gonna put this? I might just put it down here. I'm not really sure. And like I said, these pages of late are or have been really, this isn't quite done yet, but they're really like more collage pages, and I'm kind of like journaling by pictures more or less. So yeah. And then this here is the application guide to Beetles gel polish. Now, a lot of people ask me questions about my nails, and I don't know, by the time you're seeing this, I probably painted them again, but I ordered some new colors that are a little less, you know, bright. And so I received this yesterday, and yeah, so what you're seeing now, the nails that I have now, my daughter did, and they have grown out a little bit, but they are, I don't know, over a week old, I think. I don't know. I can't remember. Maybe we'll put this over here so that I can put this over here. Yeah. Okay. So I could put this over here. See, I want to be able to, I can glue it on the back, you know, and then still be able to open it up like this to get all the information. So I could just go ahead and glue that like that. Yeah, okay. And then I'll just do this pretty zen right there, maybe. Yep. Okay, and then my date could possibly go, let's see, it could even go like in there like that, right? And then of course my shoe can go like that possibly. Oh, I still need my silly dog. Okay. Dog Mom can go right here, possibly. Can you, yeah. Okay, Dog Mom. And then this, oh my gosh, yeah. My dog last night got into a stinking toad. Ugh, and they're poisonous. 2 dogs. What a nightmare. My dog and the toad, let me tell you what. Yes, my Jack got into the toads. Okay, now here I'm using another Mantra Wellness magazine, and I'm cutting out this little palette here, right? Because I'm going to use it sort of as like a little sticker. Sorry if that's right in your face. Yeah, because I love Mantra Wellness magazine so much. Oh, my daughter told me too. We just recently had Mother's Day here in the US, and she and my son gifted me a new subscription. Oh, I'm so excited. I'll put the link down below. It really is a fabulous magazine. So I might end up putting this in here because I was painting, right? I was painting. Ooh, okay. And then right up in here, I can put this little journal picture. I don't know if you can see it, this one right here, okay? And then I'm kind of trying to cut around these things because the words on these little pictures, I do like the words, so I might use them for something else. Again, sorry if I'm cutting like right up in your grill. I don't mean to do that. Okay, so we'll cut that out. Anyway, the book is just like a really cool magazine, and it really is, for what you get, it's a really high quality magazine, and I cannot thank my sweet friend Allison enough for getting me hooked on it. Yeah, it's just it has absolutely fabulous articles in it, and it's just so uplifting, and you know, and then see, that can go right there. If you start it, finish it. Look how that worked out, right? It's just serendipitous, I tell you. All right, because I worked on my journal like all day long, right? And then I could always put something else on here. What else was I going to put? Oh yeah, see here again from Mantra Wellness. Now this is 5 lessons I learned after leaving the corporate world, but I like these right here. Living a creative and living a creative and fulfilling life is rewarding to the soul. Amen. Okay. Expensive shoes won't make you happy. Well, that's good to know because I don't have expensive shoes. I have flip-flops. But I like this one, so I probably wouldn't use that one. But success is the culmination of a series of failures. Absolutely. You must lose sight of the shore and never let obstacles get in the way of your dreams. Oh my goodness, that I wish I had seen that for my daughter's page. Okay, so, but I could use those on some of these, you know, like just to put on here as well. And then let's see, I wonder, yeah, I like it. I like it. And if you'll notice, see, like I did all the stenciling and then I went ahead and like covered everything up, which is fine because you can still see it peeking through the background, and I like that. And this pretty much tells me everything. Like I know when I look back on this page, maybe not in 10 years, but in, you know, if I look back on it in the near future, I'll know that I spent this day finishing up a journal. You know, I was feeling pretty zen because I was just in my room and doing my thing. My daughter and I went on our walk. Thank you very much, Pam, for the beautiful sneakers you sent me. And my dog, Oi, my date, and this, right? So that's how this page is gonna turn out. And like I said, I'm not sure, excuse me, I'm so sorry, if I'm gonna put some of these on here or not. But yeah, I like the way that this page is turning out, and I might just, you know, add a few little things, but I do like the background peeking through. And then I'm gonna also put a little bit of something up in here on this page. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for this journal with me. I mean, I'm just gonna glue everything down, and I don't think y'all want to endure that. But yeah, that's a fun page, and it tells everything that I did that day. Getting my nails, painting, sending a thank you, journaling, walking, my dog and the toad, right? Having a fun time just being zen. So there are some ideas for you on how to create a collage type of journal page without a whole lot of writing, if that's what you're interested in. So I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. And yeah, have a great rest of your day and a wonderful week. I do believe that this is quite possibly the shortest journal with me video yet. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much again. Have a great day, a wonderful week, and I'll chat at y'all real soon. Bye for now.